Good day, everyone. I'm going to present Communication for Business and Trade. Picha Kucha presentation. I made this one for educational purpose, specifically for compliance in our subject, purposive communication. Communication is essential for business and trade because it enhances productivity, facilitates planning and decision making, builds strong relationship with customers and employees, and maintains the positive brand image. Definition is the meaning or essential nature of a word, concept, or thing, while relevance is a quality of being closely connected to or appropriate for the matter at hand, signifying its importance or applicability. Internal factors are things that we can control. Example, the company's strong financial resources enable it to invest in advanced technology which can provide its operational efficiency and gave it a competitive edge. External factors are things we cannot control. For example, the company's sales were negatively impacted by the economic recession, which led to a drop in consumer discretionary spending on non-essential items. Providing a clear strategic overview of internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats, leading to better decision-making, improved strategy development, and a proactive, appropriate seizing opportunities and mitigating risks. Benefits of SWOT analysis. Number one, SWOT analysis is identify any company or organization's capabilities and resources. Moreover, they also provide a look at organization competitive environment. Number two, based on the result of SWOT analysis, the company can create a better marketing strategy. Number three, a SWOT analysis can create a new opportunities or the company, especially the ones that are not yet explored. Number four, this can be an aid for the manager and directors reduce the threats by understanding their company's current weakness. Number five, this can be used by the people and the company as a planning techniques. Number six, individuals who like to develop their careers can do SWOT analysis for it identifies their skills, opportunities, and abilities. How to make a SWOT analysis? Number one, make sure that the analysis heads to the right path or direction by defining your objective. If your study focuses on what matters, this will be eventually provide you a right strategy. Number two, focus on the internal and external factors. Strength. Strength are the internal factors that make your company stand out compared to competitors. Weakness are the internal factors that limit your company's growth or make you less competitive compared to others. These are areas where competitors perform better and they highlight what holds your business back. Opportunities. Opportunities are the external factors in the environment that your company can take advantage of to grow, expand, or improve performance. Threats. Threats are the external factors that can harm your company's growth, stability, or success. Unlike weaknesses, threats come from outside forces you cannot control, but you can prepare for or minimize their impact. SWOT analysis of a coffee shop. Strength: close to universities and public transport, cheaper products offered other than popular brands. Ambience is a good for study and leisure, growing demandly by the different markets of coffee shops. Weakness: no experience in operating a business, lack of funds for the start-up of the business, less popularity compared to well-known brands, staff to be trained for operations. Opportunities: new products and services are offered for expansion of the market. Brand franchising is also an opportunity to expand business, co-branding or strategic alliance with other firms. The various target market. Grades: there are lots of popular coffee shops. There are also competition with other coffee shops also starting up. Market tastes are changing. Price for coffee beans and other supplies may increase. Thank you for watching and listening to our presentation. By the way, my name is Angel Oknip, together with Riza Ramos. Have a nice day.